morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to vlog-o-ween or vlog-ween. I'm not really sure, but vlog-o-ween rolls off the tongue better. I have to preface this by saying I know I won't be posting every single day because October looks busy, but I'm gonna post as often as I can because I love Halloween, and what better way than to spread my Halloween cheer than with you guys and to take you along with me every single day that I can in October leading up to the best day of the year. So without further ado, let's get today started. I'm going to do a ballet class because I have about an hour until Steve and I are gonna have lunch. So I'm gonna make the bed super quick. I go into work today, but I have plenty of time before then to catch up on some things. That's what I've been doing this morning. I've just been catching up on like admin things and like boring things, but things that need to be done. So let's make the bed, let's get changed, let's do a ballet class, and then let's have some lunch. Okay, also today, this afternoon, I wanna get all the Halloween decor out. Most of it stays out year round because I'm a huge fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, and I just love the decor for Halloween in general, so I keep most of it year round. Like we have these little mushrooms and pumpkins. I keep the mushrooms out year round because mushrooms are year round, right? So I'm gonna get some decor out after lunch and take you guys with me as I put out some decor. But let's make the bed first. All right, this is my leotard of the day. I'm wearing tights on top because it's so much better to wear tights on top than underneath. This leotard is from Yumiko, and I'm gonna throw on a pair of shorts. I'm feeling like shorts today, and I'm gonna put on my pointe shoes as well. All right, I love these Puma shorts. I'm pretty sure they're from Winners. I got them at a fraction of the price. Pointe shoe time.
Now, one of the things that helps me stay super motivated as a dancer is having a goal to work towards. And in all honesty, I'm pretty undecided as to what my goal should be because a few weeks ago, my goal was to do a talent show. Then it was to audition for things. And now that the talent show's over and the audition is submitted, I don't really have a goal to work towards other than just showing up every single day. And that's where this vlog-o-ween kind of challenge has really helped me, because had I not had this challenge for myself, I would probably be binge watching Love is Blind right now rather than doing a ballet class or pointe class or even recording this voiceover, because I'm trying to stay committed to honoring the goal of posting every single day in October. Now again, I won't be posting every single day. I know that for a fact. I'm going to try my very hardest, and that being said, if you're someone who also struggles with staying motivated, I would highly suggest having a kind of goal, whether it's like filming yourself in a ballet class to keep yourself accountable, or maybe signing up for a ballet class, buying yourself a dance class pass. That way you spent money on it and you want to make your money's worth, or get your money's worth, I guess. But yeah, let me know ways that you like to stay motivated. After my ballet class, I went for a walk with Elsa, and I just love fall walks. I can't wait for everything to get even more colorful as the fall season goes on. But like I said, tell me ways that you like to stay motivated, whether it's for studying or if it's for attending dance classes, or even if it's just to stay healthy.
All right. Time to do some skincare before I head out. It's so late. It's like 3:15 and I haven't even washed my face yet. Not gonna lie, it's just been a busy and chaotic and emotional morning. It's been one of those. So I'm gonna wash my face really quickly, get ready because I'm going out to teach soon, but I do teach an online person first. So I'll just do some skincare really quickly. I'm home alone tonight because Steven is going to a party. Well, I shouldn't say home alone because he says he's on his way back like later. He hasn't left yet. We're gonna leave at the same time, but he says he should be back tonight. But in case he isn't, I'll, be home alone, which is totally fine. That means I can watch my show. I'm not saying I don't watch it when he's here. When he's here, we just watch House together. So I'm gonna catch up on Tell Me Lies, which I should have watched yesterday because he was home, but he was playing games and I told him to play games because I wanted to watch a show. I ended up editing my vlog instead, which turned out okay. I went out today. So far, I think this one should go out okay. So I'll have 3 out of 3 vlogs posted. I know for sure the weekend it's going to be tricky because it was here with us the whole time. I've been using the Squalene Omega Repair Cream from, I think it's Biosense? Yeah. And this is the one that saves sharks, so I love that. I just inhaled a bunch of dust. That's another thing I need to do for the weekend. I need to clean up the house. Oh my gosh, I meant to put up the Halloween decorations today, but I literally have 10 minutes until I teach my next student, so I won't have time today. Maybe that'll be a tomorrow thing. That's enough for skincare. I'm just going to tidy up my eyebrows, put on a little bit more makeup, and I should be good to go. Like I said the other day, I don't have like a lot of decor that I don't need, that I haven't put out yet, aside from like stuff we usually put out for the party, but I don't think we're gonna do the party this year, just because everybody has busy lives this year. You know, people came to our party the last year. I think we had one last year, but the people who came last year Like 2 people are getting married, other 2 people are moving, a bunch of other people just have things going on in their lives. And you know, this is something to be said about when you get older, like when you're in your 30s. I guess I'm not in my 30s yet, but getting closer to being in my 30s, everybody's got their lives going on. So it's harder to like coordinate things and parties and events. So yeah, plus we are going on vacation around Halloween time. So we likely won't be having a party then because it'll just be too much. And by the time we get back, we'll be just so tired. But Halloween night, I'm excited for. I've already picked the movie we're gonna watch. I think we're gonna watch Longlegs because I haven't seen it yet. It's not super scary though, so maybe I'll pick a different scary movie, like scary. I'm also gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow with my new Corpse Bride palette. Why is so blue? I just love the shade Emily. It's so, like, are you kidding? It looks like, I don't know, in the best way possible, it looks like fish or like mermaid tails. It's so like mermaidy. I just got it all over, but that's okay. Oh, it's just so pretty and like glowy and blue, sparkly, and it matches my nails as well. So shimmery. I really want to get a little bit of blue eyeliner as well because I feel like, I don't know, that would look really cute with this, right? That should be okay. My goodness, I have so much on my finger. I'm just gonna rinse that off before I get it anywhere else on my face. And I'll curl my eyelashes a little bit. Do you guys like my sparkly horse shirt as well? I just got back from a walk and it's lovely out. Got all my makeup pretty much done. Like I said, I teach my student in like 10 minutes, so I'm kind of in a rush. And then I'm leaving the house right after to go and teach. And then I'm back home tonight. All right, that looks good to me. I'm not gonna do concealer or blush today because I don't feel like it. But I guess maybe I'll do a bit of concealers because otherwise my under eyes are like so heavy and I'm very tired looking. I'm gonna use this serum. It's not even concealer, I just use it as concealer. It's like this tinted serum and I just blend it under my eyes with my fingers. Like so. Oh, I can't get over how pretty this color is. It's so like ethereal. I'm gonna need to use a beauty blender for this because I'm making a mess with my fingers. Okay, that's so much better. Oh, now I'm tempted to do some blush. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of blush, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing, but maybe because I'm falsely misleading you to think that this is the finished look when it's not. I'm going to use some Rare Beauty in the shade Hope. I just love that sound, it's so satisfying. This is giving like 2000s, like early 2000s, is it not? H2O, just add water vibes. I just love this shade of blue, it's so pretty. I honestly can't wait for vacation as well. I cannot wait to just do nothing and have no plans because we don't have like internet up there either. So I'm just excited to unwind and relax, counting down the days until I go. There we go. That is good for me. I'm going to go set up my workstation so I can teach, and that's the finished look.